To me, it looks like an enormous drone which has jets at the back, and it's so cool looking. Guys, I've already set it up and connected it to my PlayStation 4. This unboxing was done when I first received the router. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Guys, today I have something different on the channel, something that I've not previously featured. However, I feel the need to share this with you guys because it's the best in its category. I've never ever used a router that is so powerful as this one. And guys, it's a real big one. Probably the biggest router I have ever seen or used. This is a powerful router and we're talking about flagship quality. And I'll be sharing a quick unboxing and review with you guys today. Guys, this video also has a giveaway in it, so keep watching. In the box, guys, we have an Ethernet cable, 2 power adapters, one for the UK and then a European power adapter too. Some handy setup manuals including a 1-year warranty, 4 detachable antennas. And guys, here we have it, the XR500 Nighthawk Pro gaming router. Guys, this router is compatible with all systems including Microsoft and Mac OS. Measuring at 321.9 by 243 by 55 millimeters, this router weighs at 801 grams. It's so gigantic. It's gigantic and quite heavy as well. However guys, it's a powerful beast. The Nighthawk Pro XR500 gaming Wi-Fi router is so powerful. It supports blazing fast 2.6 gigabytes per second Wi-Fi speed. Guys, you have gigabit Ethernet ports and a dual 1.7 gigahertz processor for a powerful online gaming experience. Now check out the specs for it on the screen in front of you. We have 5 gigabit Ethernet ports. It supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. The router has dual core 1.7 GHz processor for a powerful online gaming experience and performance. It supports 2 Wi-Fi bands at the same time. You have 4 external high gain Wi-Fi antennas for better Wi-Fi CP coverage and faster speeds. Guys, you also have additional DFS channels providing an interference-free gaming experience. We also have a custom dashboard with real-time control, bandwidth utilization, and you can prioritize your gaming devices. And guys, I can tell you this is the most powerful and beastie Wi-Fi router I have ever tried. It's exceptional, it's flagship quality, and it's a total powerhouse. Now the links for the router are in the description box below this video. Guys, it has amazingly good hardware and it's a great contender for the top spot. It's dual core 1.7 GHz processor, it has tons of RAM, 5.1 gigabit Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi, ABGN and AC, 4 or 5 GHz of Wi-Fi, you have a choice, or dual band Wi-Fi and broadcast both through one device with one password and login. How awesome is that? Guys, we have 4 massive antennas, 7 extra 5 GHz channels, 15 in total to avoid interference. Guys, we also have 2 USB ports on the side here. You can plug in a media player or a giant storage device, whichever you like. The hardware is a mega overkill. It's the beastiest router you can buy and probably the most powerful for home use. It's not for industrial service, but guys, the best you can get. I've started using this Netgear Nighthawk XR500 Wi-Fi router, guys, my Wi-Fi connection and signal strength has shot up for all my devices at home. Now this includes my smartphones, my MacBook, my iPad, my PlayStation 4, etc. Previously, with the standard PlusNet router I was receiving a couple of bars, but not on all devices. I was struggling with my Wi-Fi speeds and connection, but with this one, full bars on all devices, including great connection in my front and back garden. The extra RAM is amazing, and guys, the cons, well guys, the only cons I can think of, it's quite big, only 4 internet ports for such an expensive device. A couple of more would have been welcomed. And guys, I have read some reviews where people have said that dual band Wi-Fi is an issue with mixed results. Most devices worked fine. However guys, I personally have had no problem in connecting so many of my devices to this router. The software is amazing and there's tons of stuff on it. Now the most useful being the Go filter, which allows you to block connection based on region. It helps you with gaming big time. You can block foreign connection connecting to your PC or your gaming device. It also prioritizes traffic via the settings. It allows you to hyper traffic, prioritize the traffic you receive to the game you are playing. Network motion also shows you how much bandwidth you are using. Network maps show you what type of devices are connected to what type of signal. You can use that to label these devices. Guys, also we have a traffic meter analytics. You can literally log your data. You can export big data files to analyze what your traffic is doing. Guys, you can diagnose any problems with this router. Now you can set up separate user accounts to yours, so your account stays private. You can block particular sites with keywords, etc. It also has parental locks. You can also apply VPN sign-throughs to your router and apply that to your choice of devices. My favourite feature of this Netgear Nighthawk XR500 gaming Wi-Fi router has to be a feature called the anti-buffer bloat. Now this features sections of a percentage of ISP upload or download bandwidth. Now that can only be used for gaming. So if someone else on the network starts to download or update, it can't fully saturate the ISP bandwidth and cause lag or spikes, which affects your gaming. Now that is an awesome feature, guys. And that is one feature I really highly appreciate when I'm connected to this router. It makes my life so much easier when I'm uploading videos or even gaming or streaming, etc. Now guys, the big question, is this beast worth the money or not? Well, in my opinion, a big yes if you live in a biggish house and your Wi-Fi size. Right, now due to thick walls or maybe poor connection, or even if you have a lot of people in the house constantly gaming, streaming, or just using Wi-Fi all the time, maybe you have a small office setup, you're a hardcore gamer, big time networker, this one is for you. I highly recommend this Netgear Nighthawk XR500. However guys, maybe if you live alone and control your home internet, you do not have many devices connected to the router, and you're a casual gamer, then I guess you can do with a standard router. However, this gaming router is a power beast. If you like to use interference-free, lag-free Wi-Fi without any disconnections, then this router is for you. In the long term, it's really worth every penny that you invest in it. Currently, the Netgear Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR500 Wi-Fi router is priced at £227.49 here in the UK and at $248.99 in the US. Now the router is currently on a massive sale, so if you are after purchasing one, this is the time to do so. Now guys, share your thoughts. What do you think of this beast? What do you think of this Netgear Nighthawk XR500? Do you like it? What do you think of the design? What do you think of its price, its features? Which one is your favorite feature? Are you tempted to buy one? Do comment in the description box below. All your thoughts, opinions, ideas are much welcomed, and I do take them into consideration when making my videos. Now guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've helped some of you out there in making a choice on whether or not you should buy this router. And if you are tempted to buy one, the links for it are in the description box below, so go grab one for yourselves. Either way, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Now guys, before I go, that promised giveaway. Yes guys, Netgear and I have teamed up to bring you guys a massive beastie giveaway. And if you guys would like a chance to get your hands on one of Netgear's Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR500 Wi-Fi router, which is a slightly smaller version of the XR500, then guys, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell icon above, follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be alerted of the upcoming giveaway in the next 24 hours. The giveaway will go live in the next 24 hours and will run for 4 weeks. And one of you beautiful people will be picked at random on the Gleam app in 4 weeks time. So all the best for all those who are entering. Don't forget, I've got lots of other giveaways running on the channel at the moment, so be sure to enter. All the best. And guys, I'm done for now. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell icon above. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram for my latest videos, giveaways, etc. Until the next one guys, take care. Bye.